Now, I don't even know what they are going to put that 4 million Ghana cedis to use. Perhaps, ABR, through your dialogue with the national executives of the party, you know, Omachiremo, Addai 4 million Ghana cedis development fees, you know, one more the baye. Nampacho, Wadaruma, so Omachiremo, a dem pana 4 million Ghana cedis development fees, you know, one more the baye.
Well, about you will be trying the 4 million development fee, you need the ingredients of it. What will constitute that? And Butaya, 4 million from each aspirant. In general, so what you beside General Secretary. Now, also call National Council. Maybe I know everything that said the minimum category. Minya nchiri mu bia ewo ho na ye nchire se ye Jesus can say this
But is that not surprising enough? Because Addai Nimo is not mean a figure within the New Patriotic Party. So for you to tell me, say 4 million Ghana cedis as development levy, you don't know the purpose for it. Yeah, they hard drink a crowd.
Oh, about you, there be say me member of National Council. A decision on National Council.
But when we talk about the astuteness of a person within a political grouping, that cannot be taken away from you when it comes to the New Patriotic Party.
Me know ya again. So you say you were Bejaku is the second highest decision-making body of the party. Ikushia. Na ekoyen shishaye. The party ni jumedie say. Make Addai Nimo. Me nko sa Bejaku ni bi. Me member. Elunti omo ambekwa kushia no. Also mo take a decision. Omo who the ramifications of that decision.
Sure.
Say edibebwa ye na say MYA. Say impo ye basi ye friend ye busa yen opinion or suggestion for consideration by National Council. You know, a different thing altogether. But not say and a decision you take care. Now consultations man kuyi and your broad. Then one say a trap will be your friendly development fee 4 million to person now pray. Frank to I can see we are able to January there. I was so chases.
But I believe, sir, in the for clarity, for the purposes of clarity, say bibia beda ho na mu beda ho fine no anka mo take a decision e wie no na anka so mo bom nyina amane adukudie nti a 4 million Ghana cedis no wo mo gi for a year development.
Well, I know the administrative procedure. And it's a council not taking decision in some area. The implementation of the council decision lies with the general secretary of the party and administrative procedure on also paswa or the big Jumano. And it's all no we also be through the answer the better on Fantuja. I mean can be really so or the bar Justin Kodia the bar 29th July. And I insist on that. 29th July 2025. And a nomination OOP. One person release, you will see, say, or train what Akrata and say, nomination forms 100,000, filing or submission 500,000.
Yeah.
Then a development fee shall be determined by the National Council.
Oh, okay. So it means that development fees nankasa no yamfa figure nankasa amfa mba sa communicate num.
Enti uko na ukoto form no a near the sa figure na she the amount.
Eh, we are no den yemu orem.
When the general secretary kasa onu betimi akire mu ye.
So, General Secretary, I've had a conversation with him. He tells me that next week, Nyami Aduma Obebefiha ama enene edin komo. So we are only praying and hoping, say Obeba. So we have an encounter with him on this particular issue. But Ansana Yebejawa Makono would want you to rate the current leadership of the New Patriotic Party, the national executive members. How would you rate them?
About the information we see, the 2024, look at the extent of defeat. I'm a Siberian party, and me 96, in 88. Yasako by election, Yakulu Subako at the account. As you say, Yabe 87, and this was 185, and you were 4 independent candidates. Acting as SOMPA, what to Nimo to say, or no, and none party no, in Kugua Intino, on sign in seeking re-election. And I commend him for that. Both decision I will take care. Wapa public so uncontested for any position this time.
So just to cut in, sad decision as our comment, I no make it that comment. And I also see say, and Anka, all the national executive members should go for new executive members to take the positions and man the affairs of the party. Do you ascribe to that?
I strongly support him. I'm commending for that, and I strongly support him. If you media, I will say my principles. We should uphold principles. The performance in India admit the performance in India may trim home. Into the ono I support him 101%. Say national officers also be at me to say almost contested or be uncontested position here. And I say to the even extreme and say yeah, resigning that change of any national position, national officers and even regional officers, they can't say so. Regional officers. Regional executives Greater Accra, out of 34 seats, Party Ninya only 5 seats in Greater Accra. NDC Ekita 29. Into regional chairman and the other regional executives no. And they are the power and the best shame a bayan couldn't and Cranshet say will Sanqua cooperate the same position or Obeka cooperate a different position. Kobota region, out of 18 constituencies, MPP is 0. Into a regional chairman or other regional executives now. A dear the number Jiraswa, Ubetinia Cafe, yeah, Akopre. Okwa Ashanti region, 47. NDC Kiminya moved 7 seats or so. NDC has 7 seats out of the 47, 1 independent. And so, regional chairman, Yoruba and Chibusia could maybe a chairman or
SOMPA FM.
Obenya 47 over 47. Obegi seats in India. That's why I need seats now or no, Obe resign. And so went to me and yeah. Let's also compare another position here. And they are the partner show and show Kutupa Jen Naso now. Into me, my film, make a Edia Fwa, dear Mr. Butekan, and say, and not only the national officers, but all the regional executives, or send such all the regional executives in the Munya. Because of our performance in parliamentary elections, and also so. Oko constitute regions in Libya. Oko regions in Libya, only 1 seat. I have 1. Bono 1. Bono East 1. Western North 1. Savannah 1. Oko Western region out of 17, in 2 seats. Central region out of 23 seats, MPP in 4. In Cranshebena, regional executives in Inano. The wow, between may sound complete position and Nikita and to a different position. In the Butekayano, they sat Ashimus, Ashimukena, Akandiama, even all the regional executives say, there was so many, almost to monum to say almost day and contesting him, almost more. Go you hear massive overhauling. At the constituency level, no dear. Constituency level, no, or more bitini, and more, some bitini a preposition, on bitini a pray. Constituency level will be a better ama, our constituency executive elections be a cry. Why your mom became cry now or 30%. And that is the kind of overhauling here in the party with such a defeater in Naya, and media. Akwetiani kita and also free and sa acquires a party no right now no we are stuck in the mud.
Some have also opined, Pacho. Some have also opined, you share the current crop of national executives. You have also made mention of the regional executives, and of course, when it comes to the constituencies, now the constituencies can decide for themselves. Some have also said, if all those officers must go, then they must go with the former flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Do you agree to this assertion too?
Flag bearer election, they think a new say a started bottom-up approach. Near the polling station, near the bar constituency, region national. The flag bearer position, no, and new bedroom, and no be how I know a beco. But we here a strong party machinery from the base to the last level, and Sana, what did the overall, which is the flag bearer, no, Abba, far strength, no, within the party machinery, no, in you on the modia. Okofa one adin baba be flag bearer party strength no machinery strength ni hono mono emwa eno ntino flag bearer no de eno emre no pan mu no eno
ade no ho beba
party no ebeko
asabre a wenjina idea among the 5 candidates now one more April no. Who do you think, sir, or a better fit to lead the New Patriotic Party for it to secure victory in the 2028 general elections?
I want to know some more with the media. Let us open me and Mr. Shem Hukum.
All right, Nimo. But one can say, baby, I want to candidate. Pa, Modeba, move to me, Awene, and I wouldn't.
Mamma, when you are so. And the chief way team is team. Mamma, you know, so I can see me. Now, me and Craya my reasons too early to conduct the election, top down approach, I oppose it, bias and so on, monetization. Mama, all these reasons. Now, Mama say, come home. I can say any of me, I could support to Ubi. Send you no meaning be me yo. Na me an kasa masay defeat me ho. Me shoot me ho down.
Okay.
It mean tie will be a chip. Many team members is here at kasa. And you entire will be a chip. The end also will be a media my mommy reasons on principle. These are the 4 reasons that I've outlined on principle.
Okay, but I believe going forward, you know, say Breno Bensoswa, perhaps you might come out to endorse a particular candidate.
Oh, there be. I'm a principal person. My integrity in politics and said the money is very high, and I don't compromise on my integrity in leadership. I don't compromise on my integrity in leadership. And when maka masem no maka, and see emre no bebo ade bechu ebeka so yinigina and na michina. If you say a normal no to yin and not a dana kwemwa and ka contest no mekobi. But say normal na anko na matchumi ho a nintimi ensign enter emiki a U10 and ka se me kwa back will be at any point in time. No. Esa no and ye me makele the integrity na just me ka samwa.
SOMPA.
But enipa Ghana for crabby who me say. And so do our money, nipa or money, no. Omunim Sade Nimo is a principled person of high integrity and credibility. It means to me and say me credibility or integrity, sir. That was Sabi well.
All right. Well, there are no Addai Nimo. We better was a pass wama hokwanyama in wedding come. I've really enjoyed your encounter, but I'm hopeful, say one of these days, you know, you pass through our studio so we can have a broader conversation on the way forward for the New Patriotic Party, which you belong to, which you love so much.